lang, oh, nandito pa lang tayo. Picture na si Mamel, oh.
Video. We're going somewhere. Somewhere everywhere.
Hindi ka na magtaka dyan, girl. Kahit nagdadrive yung... Eh, di may pareho kami. Ganyan din ako, girl.
We're on our way to Toronto Airport. Ma'am, yan. Oh, that's Mississauga. That's Mississauga City.
In 500 meters. 09.
May kunin dyan ang board ng Air Canada.
Yay! This is it? Kayo lang. Wala ako.
Ang lubot.
Ang lubot.
Ah, okay. This is it. Oh, go ahead. Go. Yeah, no. Go na, go.
Yun na.
Ayun lang.
Kunti lang. Watch them how they feel up there. I'm already done. I already put tag on my luggage. How's your stay? You're done, not yet. Going London, yeah.
Kapag mag-play na tayo. So, lagay natin dito siguro.
Okay. We're going to international check-in. Excuse me.
What are they going to do? That thing just follow the check with the major because it has to be certain size and certain weight.
Ano sa'yo? Ilan sa'yo?
Ano yung next?
Oh, there's no weight?
Wala na, girl. Accepted na.
Really?
Dito na, mga bugoy. Mga bugay, oy.
Yay! We already dropped our luggage. And we're heading to our gate.
Get lost now.
Oh no, security. Yay! Traveling with these beautiful ladies here. What's that? Love always wins. Hi, Tay. Hello. Okay, we're gonna stop over in coffee shop. Oh, duty free. How about duty free? Someone is so excited.
Yan ang bago mag-tour. Bago mag-tour muna, yan muna ang
The
energy.
English tea.
This is the energy before you go for your tour. This is this full blast energy. And this for the rest of us.
If my daughter see me dancing in public, stop please. I said no, I love it.
Waiting for the elevator to find some coffee.
This is our early dinner before boarding because we don't know what time we got mail inside the airport. Okay, we're on time, 6:20. The 854 AC. We're Canada 854. We're boarding now. Bound for London.
Where are we? Okay guys, we're looking for a coffee.
Singapore. This is outside of Heathrow Airport, like when you arrive in this arrival area. Peacefully you can see. What art is that? It's so huge, right? Oh, I like the weather. Okay, we're taking what number is this one? We're taking train to Elizabeth Line.
In the interest of safety, parents are advised not to carry children on Marriage Street or allow them to play the escalators.
4 and 5. Elizabeth Line. Ayan o.
We're going down. Hindi na.
We're taking now. So we're taking this one. Ano? Ayan, we're taking -1 here.
Yeah, baba na sa -1.
Did he say anything about what exit?
Wala na, yung 0 lang yung sakyan natin.
So we're waiting the bus to London 7:55.
Hello? Hello?
We are taking bus 025 to London. That's our bus right there. We just newly arrived here in Heathrow Airport. Excited. Thank you. Oh, it's clean. Hindi.
Ay, naka-reserve, oh.
We're leaving Heathrow Airport. Subway. Oh. Taking subway. Traffic. Heavy traffic.
Ngayon eh. Rush hour pa yata.
University of West London. This building. West London University. Oh, National Traffic Officer. Yay.
Mga luma din, no?
West London. Oh, nice tree. Look, huh? Tree na. Oh, I like that car. Bus. Central London. Oh, my free, there's free Wi-Fi. Traffic here. Dunkin'. Starbucks. So we have KFC here, McDonald's, Starbucks, and Dunkin' Donuts. Finally, Stanley House.